flow my cup.
Welcome to my wedding!
Something for me, something for you. Everything is better when it comes into one is so lonely, let's double the blue. Everything is better when it comes into it's better, better, it's better, 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 it's better when you two. It's better, better, it's better, it's better when you two. Let's push the line to the red, come on, make it loud, so everybody can hear how much you like me now. I don't want to feel your phone, I want a perfect pair. One and one equals two, come on, take me there. Double the fun, come on, double it. Something for me, something for you. Everything is better when it comes into one is so lonely, let's double the new. Everything is better when it comes into it's better, better, it's better, 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 it's better when you two. It's better, better, it's better, it's better when you two. It's better when you two.
Sa ibabaw ng lahat ng mga ito, kapatid na Jeffrey at kapatid na Molin, pananagutan ninyong mag-asawa na umibig sa Diyos.
Anak, salamat na napakabait mong anak. Alam ko magiging mabait ka rin ng asawa. Sa pagpapamilya mo, kahit may asawa ka, huwag mo kong kakalimutan.
Oo naman.
Be strong. Life is really tough. Be strong. Okay? And you have a partner now, that's Jepoy. Okay, you're gonna be more stronger. Okay.
It's better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last.
Unang-una, sobrang thankful ako sa iyo ma kasi all the way, suporta talaga. As in, kahit mainit, kahit masakit ang tuhod, yan, talagang kasama sa pag-aasikaso. At hindi lang yun doon, pati nung bata pa kami. Sabi mo, naging okay naman ako paglaki ko dahil naman minsan.
At iyong iibigin ng Panginoon mong Diyos ng iyong buong puso at ng iyong buong kaluluwa at ng iyong buong lakas. Ang pag-ibig sa Diyos, pagsunod sa mga kautusan ng Diyos, yan ang isang mahalaga. Dapat nangingibabaw sa inyong pagsasama na dapat ay pareho kayong mananampalataya. Yung antas ng inyong pagkilala at pagka-iglesia ni Kristo, pareho.
For a lifetime, every day I swear I need you. With each glance, I love you more and more. Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we
Thank you kasi huwag mo sayang yung makeup, mahal yan. 15K lang naman. Thank you kasi nagpunta kayo dito. O kahit na ang mahal. Hindi lang 15K. I love you.
It's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name.
Ang babae na may asawa ay itinali ng kautusan sa asawa samantalang ito ay nabubuhay. Kaya hindi ang babae, hindi rin ang lalaki ang siyang dapat magkaroon ng kapangyarihan sa isa't isa, kundi ang mga batas o kautusan ng Diyos sa pag-aasawa.
Forever and ever, for a lifetime. Forever. Forever.
Dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at makikisama sa kanyang asawa. At ang dalawa ay magiging isang laman. Kaya hindi na sila dalawa kundi isang laman. Ang pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao. Kapatid na Jeffrey, you may kiss your wife.
For a lifetime.